Most people trying to make money online are overcomplicating things. One of the simplest businesses that you can start that can help you to make your first or next $1,000 online is by simply selling PDFs. This is so simple that complete beginners can actually do this. You simply create a PDF that solves a particular problem for someone who can be located in your city or anywhere around the world. As long as it's a problem that they have that they don't know how to solve, you can use your knowledge or you can use AI to create a PDF, and then you're going to get paid when you sell that PDF to them. For example, this is my website and I've got different PDFs that I've created. Like if I just show you this one, if I click on it, you see that it's a PDF that's helping and showing people how to start their coaching business. If I click on the image, you see what the PDF looks like. It's a book. People will basically buy this and read it, and it's going to help them. If I come to the back end of my website and I change this to all time, you'll be able to see how much I've earned in total. I've made over $28,000 by simply doing this. Now, what if I told you that I can build this complete business for you and you don't need to do much? This will include me building the exact PDF that you should be selling. That's going to help you to earn money. Secondly, I'll build the website where you can actually start selling this PDF so that even whilst you're sleeping, someone can come to your website, buy, and when you wake up in the morning, you are just seeing sales. And thirdly, I'll show you exactly how I market these products so that I can get people from all around the world to buy them from me. This is exactly what I'm offering in my next 5-day challenge, where I'll show you exactly how to create and sell digital products in just 5 days. Now, to let you know, this is actually a coaching program that I do every single month. It's not for free. But if you stick around and watch the rest of this video, I'll explain exactly how you can get me to build the complete business for you for free. So it's called the Digital Product Breakthrough Challenge. And at the time I'm recording this video, it's going to be happening in the next few days. But you can sign up for it anytime whenever you are watching this video. In this challenge, we just follow 3 basic steps. I'm going to help you to create your first digital product. I'm going to help you to build out the whole system that will help you to earn money online. And then the outcome is that you're going to be checking daily sales as they come in. Now, the biggest problem that most people face when they're trying to make money online is that they don't know what products to sell. I solve that because in day number 1, I show you how to identify the best product that you should sell. In fact, for one lucky person, I'm actually going to build the product for them and then I'm going to give it to them for free. So keep watching and I'll explain how that lucky person could be you. On day number 2, I'll help you to actually create a PDF document that you can start selling to people immediately. Just to show you examples, I've got so many people who have signed up for this challenge before. And as you can see, different people are posting the PDFs that they have created from the things that they learned inside of this challenge. All these that I'm scrolling past right now, they're actual PDFs and books that people are selling and they started making money from. Now, I don't want to open them too much because these are people's actual products and I wouldn't want someone online to steal their ideas. But you can see and read it for yourself. I've just created the cover page of my audio book. Hello, everyone. This is my first attempt at creating an ebook. Hi, everyone. Here's my ebook. Hi, everyone. Here's the cover page. All these people were able to do this after watching the second lesson. On day number 3, I show you how to create your sales page or your website where people can come and start buying. The same way that you're seeing on this page right now, you can find out more details about what is actually in this challenge, and the link is going to be in the description of this video. You also have your own page where people can come and find all the details that they need to know, so that they just simply need to click a button, they can buy it, you receive your money, they get sent the ebook, and then both you and the customer are happy. Then on day number 4, which is actually the most important day, I show you exactly how to find clients. I understand that this is one of the biggest challenges that most people face. You might have a product that you want to sell, but where we all struggle is how do I actually get people to buy this thing? I show you the exact same strategies that I personally use in my business. Once upon a time, I started from zero. I was a complete beginner. I built this thing up, and now I know how to teach other complete beginners to start from zero as well. Now, I taught this to the previous students, and as you can see, a lot of them posted in the group, and they say that they made their first sales. This one says she made her first sale in 24 hours. This one made around $314. This one made 2 sales. This one made another sale. Then on the last day, I show you how to take that one idea you would have created in this 5-day challenge and then turn it into multiple streams of income, so that you're not just relying on one product alone, but you've got multiple products that are bringing in money for you on a daily basis. One of my previous students actually implemented exactly what I taught her inside of this challenge. And as you can see, I did an interview with her on my YouTube channel, and she managed to make for herself over 145,000 rands, which is about $8,800 by simply following the instructions that we laid out inside of this 5-day challenge. She was just a simple single mother working in a job, and her goal and ambition was to leave her work, start something for herself, and start making money. And from the results that she's getting, she's well on her way to achieving her goal. So regardless of whatever your goal or your ambition is, the 5-day challenge can actually help you to start creating income for yourself. Now, here's the part that I mentioned earlier on, that one person can win a complete business that's done for you. The way that you can win that business is by simply joining the 5-day challenge. And then the person who is the most engaged inside of the challenge is the one who will become the winner of that done for you business. If you go to my website right now, you'll see that I actually sell exactly that for 10,000 rands, which is around $650. But one lucky person is going to win that for free. All you need to do is just simply join the 5-day challenge. The link is in the description of this video. Sign up, be engaged, and then you stand a chance of actually winning that. And so the way that the 5-day challenge actually works is that you can sign up today and immediately get access to the video material. For example, this is our community area. Once you've made your payment and signed up, you immediately get access to this. And you can just come and click here where it says classroom, and you're going to see all the different lessons that have already been prepared for you. Meaning that if you sign up today, you get access to the course material immediately. You can come in here, for example, you can just click on day number 1 and start watching the video tutorials and start learning. You see that in the first lesson, once I press on play, the video will start playing, and then you can learn from the lessons that we did with the previous students. And as you can see, these are some of the previous students that were there. Some of them have already started making money for themselves. And below each and every single lesson, you get a link to the notes and any resources that I felt would help you. You can just easily download them just by clicking on the links there. You will also notice that there are some other lessons that are here. The ones that are here to the left are mainly the ones that would have done live. Meaning that, yes, you can get in and start doing the course today immediately, but every single first week of the month, I do a live training. And this is what you are seeing right here. These people attended the live training where I was teaching them, showing them my screen, answering all the questions that they had. And as you can see right here, also, there's something that says Q&A, which stands for question and answer. You can actually ask me questions on that live training about the business or anything in general. And for me personally, I feel like that's where the greatest value is, because you get full access to me to ask any type of question you have. So you can sign up today and get access to the video tutorials that have already been there. And then when I go live on the first week of the month, you get access to that as well. Not only do you get access to the video training, but we also have got a community of people from around the world. And as you can see, they are all posting here. They're asking questions. They're showing their results. And if I just come here and click at the top where it says map, you see that these people are from all over the world. You might just find someone who is in your location that you can meet up with. You can actually do business with them. You can start something together. Like, let's say, for example, you are maybe in Europe. The more you zoom in, you will find people who are near to you. For example, I live in Cape Town, South Africa. If I zoom in there, all these are different people in Cape Town that you can have a conversation with. You can support each other and you can help each other. That's very important, because one of the reasons why most businesses fail is because people don't have people supporting them. So in this community, we actually give you the support structure that you need. Now, to sign up for the 5-day challenge, the investment is simply $97. You're just going to click the link that's in the description of this video. It's going to bring you to this exact page right here. And as you can see, the next live training is going to be happening in 15 days from the time that I recorded this video. If you go and click on the link right now, it might show you a different date. But like I said, that's for the live training. You get access to the course material immediately once you've signed up. You just click that link, come to this page, click on this button where it says get instant access. Then you simply enter your details and your card payment details as well. Click the button at the bottom. And once you're paid, you immediately get instructions from me on the exact next step. And one of those steps includes access to the community where you can start learning and interacting with the previous students. So if you've been searching for that one business opportunity that just might change your life, this might just be it. Sign up for the 5-day challenge today and find out for yourself. I'm going to teach you every single thing that I personally have learned and implemented for myself to help myself earn money online, and I can teach it to you as well. Sign up today and I'll see you on the inside.